It's football season, and it's time for football food. And man, have I got a good one for you today. We're gonna make Gamecock chicken bites. Man, these things are spicy. Listen, you can do these, it doesn't matter whether you're tailgating with a little small grill, whether you wanna do them on the smoker. You can even do them in the oven. Do them the night before, reheat them before you take them, put them in a cooler. Perfect for tailgating, or you can even do them in the parking lot. So, hang tight. Okay, well, all right, to start with, we've got some boneless, skinless breast, and you always have just a little touch of fat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and cut these breasts long ways, all right? And I'm gonna cut them into nice sized chunks. And I don't know, these may be a couple inches long. Some of them will be a little fatter than others. Some of them won't. Okay, so, whether you can see it or not, this is Texas Pete. And you can see by the container, I do use a little Texas Pete when I cook. And I am just gonna drizzle this over this half pan of chicken chunks. There we go. All right, I'm gonna take and mix this up. I want a good coating of Texas Pete on these bites. I'm gonna mix them up good. I want this vinegar that's in Texas Pete to start breaking this chicken down a little bit, tenderizing it. And you see, I don't have, it looked like I was putting a lot in there, but with all this chicken, that's not going to be too much. And Texas Pete really isn't hot, but it is going to give it the kick. All right, I'm going to let that sit for maybe 5 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. Now it's time to really season this chicken. And what are we going to use? Of course, Uncle Steve's shake, right? Except this is competition bird shake. Now, if you've seen some of my videos, you know that this is my go-to seasoning, period, really. But when I do chicken competition bird shake, is what I like to use. It's just something about this shake that it's just hard for me to get away from it. All right. And okay, well, we've let these soak up some of that good Uncle Steve's. What I have over here, this is called Wickles. These are pepper spiced pickles. They do have a kick to them. In fact, you can see it even includes a pepper in the jar. All right, I've drained them, put them out on this. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a piece of chicken. Some of these are bigger than others, that's all right. And then I'm gonna take a piece of bacon. I'm gonna wrap it around and I want to go on and get these loaded. So to start with, I'm just going to put them out there like that. So it's pickle, piece of bacon, wrap the bacon around, and there's the bite. Okay, well, I got a bunch more to do here. Let's get another pan and set it over here. All right, what I've got is a 6-inch skewer, and I'm going to take 2 of these. Now I want to go through the bacon and the pickle, and that's how I'm going to skewer them. Just like that. Put 1, 2 on each one. If you need to, poke that pickle back in there. Two on each skewer. And you can feel it. You can feel the crunch when your skewer goes through your pickle. So you know you're getting it in there. Okay, you see I got a half pan running over with these Gamecock chicken bites. I did some without the bacon and pickles just to finish out the chicken. I'm gonna take them over to the Pitt Boss and put them on, and when I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we got the Pitt Boss up to temp. Let's put these on. Move these over. And let's lay these out. I thoroughly expect to fill this Pitt Boss up with these chicken bites. This is a lot of chicken. I'm not. Get back on there and get together. Now, you see, bacon on that one was coming unwrapped. Wrap it back around it, set it in here. As that bacon starts to cook and brown, it'll set. You'll be just fine. Okay, well, it's time. We've been almost a couple of hours actually into this. We're at 250. We've had good smoke. Let's check and see where we are. Okay, we're starting to get some color. That's good. That's good. Let's check with the thermopin and see where our temperatures are getting. 150. 145. 150. Let's check these. Do these have a little ways to go yet? Yeah, they're all in the 150, 155 range. And we're gonna let these go on up. It's over here is the cooler side. In the high 140s. All right. Well, let's close him back up. We'll let him continue on, and we'll come back out And we probably are gonna give this at least another half an hour before we check it. So when we do, we'll bring you back. Okay, well, about 30 minutes later, let's come back and see what we got. Oh yeah, now the color's starting to get right. Let's pull out the trusty thermopin here, see what we got for temp. Oh yeah. Yep. The bacon's crisping up. Let's check some of these in the back here. Oh yeah. All right. So, here's what we're gonna do. This is something new. I'm not even sure you can buy this online. This is Uncle Steve's Shake, the sauce with no name. The sauce with no name. Wow. Okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drizzle some of this on each one of these. Now, I'm not going thick with this. I don't know how much you can see of this, but this is just a glaze that I'm putting on. Just a glaze. Not that easy to get to in the back, but we're doing it. Look how pretty that makes them. My goodness gracious. All right. Okay. Get these done. Remember, these are just plain chicken. All right. All right. Here we are. It's time to take them off. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty those are. You know, sometimes you have to wait for things you like. This is one of those times. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. This is gonna be some kind of good. I'm telling you what I know. Carolina Gamecock chicken bites. My goodness. Isn't that pretty? Here you go. Look at that. Let's set these over here. All right. Here it is. This is a Carolina chicken bite. All right. Oh, the bacon's crispy. Let's slide him out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The bite of that pickle, the Uncle Steve's Shake, that competition bird, and oh my goodness. Finishing off with the no-name sauce. Uncle Steve, you got a winner here. I'm sorry, I got to finish this one. The bacon's crispy. It's got a good smoke flavor. The smoke made it into the chicken. I don't know what to say. Folks, you got to try this. This is absolutely fabulous. Carolina chicken bites. Pitt Boss did an excellent job. Boy, I'm gonna eat my fill of these. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit the circle on this side, subscribe, share the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'm gonna have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.